Hello everyone, in today's unboxing we're going over another month of Menlo Club. This is going to be a great one. This is actually my third month and I've gotten 2 other boxes from Menlo that were fantastic. This one also seems to be a small one, kind of like I got in my first unboxing. Second one was much larger and carried much more items than just clothes. I actually didn't get pants or shirt, but I got shoes and then a couple other awesome. If you guys don't know what Menlo Club is, it's a curated box of apparel delivered straight to your door. For only $60 a month, Menlo Club will deliver 2 to 3 items of curated apparel straight to your door. They also offer exclusive membership perks like lifetime discounts, promotions, and early access drops while hosting a supportive online community of like-minded members from across the country. Super cool, I really like it. Right now they actually also have a limited time offer where you can get 2 work-ready outfits for just $49. And I think that's through like Menlo Office G. I'm not sure exactly how long that is going to last, but if you guys want, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can check that out as well. But let's go ahead and hop into today's box and see exactly what we got. It's just going to be a couple shirts or a pair of pants or something, so we'll go ahead and check this out right quick. First of all, let's open this up. Got it going the wrong way here. Yep, first we got this 5'4" shirt, and it's really thick, got a nice durability, has 2 pockets up top right here to hold all your things if you need to. And then we also have a pair of pants, and these are also from 5'4". Really cool quality, everything that I've gotten from 5'4", and they actually feel very nice. The quality is super cool, and on the inside it's also really nice. Feels amazing, very durable. You can tell that they're great for work or whatever you need them for. Amazing shorts. But yeah, let's get that out of there. I'm definitely going to be wearing these here soon. Might be wearing them this weekend actually. They have a normal pocket with just a button right here that doesn't have the flap, and then they have another one that just has the flap on the back, guys. But for $60, that's not too bad for the quality. For $60 though, this is a little bit expensive, I would say. My last box was a bargain for $60, but this one right here is a little on the low end, guys. If you guys feel the same way, comment down in the description below. I will leave a link to Menlo Club down in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.